Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to make this December calendar or countdown to Christmas ornament. Perfect for your Christmas tree or to use as a decoration on your wall. Stay tuned, guys. For this project, I'm using one of those little home calendars from the Dollar Tree, an ornament, box ornament from Family Dollar or Dollar General, and some crafting paper from Hobby Lobby. So I could not get the back off this ornament. So I had to trace around the ornament and then trim it down to fit inside of the ornament. And I just traced around it and I just kept trimming just a little bit at a time until it fit inside that box. Now, looking back on this, the struggle was real, guys, with this one. It really was. The struggle was definitely real. I made so many mistakes making this. I cannot believe it came out as cute as it did. So, before you do this step, if you want to, paint the box black. Okay, I ended up painting it black anyway, and it would have been much easier to do right from the beginning. So paint your whole ornament black. Then cut this down, and I'm just using a glue stick to put it on there once I had it the right size. And then you can use a credit card, or if you have a Silhouette, Cameo, or Cricut, and you have one of those tools, you can use the same one I did, just to make sure that it's nice and flat and secure to your ornament. Oh my gosh, anything that could go wrong with this project did. So once I got that in, these little calendars that Dollar Tree had were so cute this year. But I'm only going to be using the block numbers and the little box on top of it and the month of December. So here I'm doing everything right. I took my little sander, I'm getting the excess paper off, and for some reason I had it the right way at first, and I flipped it the wrong way and glued the wrong side. Oh, struggle number one. So then I had to come back and paint the top. And then right now I'm just seeing what I like better. You can do this any way you want of where you put the month and where you put the box inside this ornament. I was kind of just playing around and see what I liked best. Now you see me glue the wrong side. And once I had that hot glue on there, I've been using Gorilla Glue. I don't know if that's why. I could not get the glue to come off. So I had to glue that side down, which is why you see me paint the front of it black. And then I thought, okay, well, maybe this would look good if I added a little bit of black distressing. Yeah, this is my oh no, I just messed up moment. So I thought maybe it would look good with a little black distressing around the edges and stuff. And I messed up and put way too much paint in one area. So then I was committed and I just had to paint the whole box black, which ended up working out good because I really didn't like the contrast of the brown and the black, and it made it more of a cohesive piece. Then I went and grabbed the December or the block, and I turned it to where it was on December, and I hot glued the back of it to the piece. And y'all know my hot glue gun is just a beast, and so much hot glue comes off. So I did have to just wipe a little bit away with that silicone tool, and it was fine. I was able to just hot glue it down, and not realizing that while I was painting this, I had gotten paint on my hands. The whole point of me not painting this box at the beginning is I love the beads on it. I know it's silly, and I could have just taken the hanger off and done it the right way. But I was never planning on painting this. So while painting, I grabbed it and got paint on my hands. And then I proceeded to get it on the beads, and I proceeded to get it on the blocks that have the numbers on it. So my piece is a little sloppy. I'm sure you guys will do way better than I did. And I'm just showing you that this is really cute, and just don't be sloppy, I guess. I don't know. It was one of those crafted moments where everything I touched just wasn't quite working out the way I planned it. Luckily, it did turn out cute in the end. This would be so cute to put on the Christmas tree. And you could use it as a calendar for the month of December and change the date every day. Or you could start with, 25 in there and do a countdown to Christmas. This would be cute on a 3-tiered shelf or a tray. I mean, you could put it in so many different places. I think this turned out super cute. I'm bummed out that it has black paint on it in places I don't want it, but oh well, that's crafted. Nothing's perfect. I hope you guys are enjoying this series, and I hope you guys are having a blessed and wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully a little less messy than I was today. I love you guys. Bye, y'all.